we're back. We got some stuff to build here. So let's build this wall. I'm going to take 2 of these 1x4. Third one. Then I'm going to put this over here. And I am forgetting something. Interesting. Let's see if I can find it right quick. If I can't, then I will have to go digging for it. But let's see. I might be able to find it right off the cuff. Looking for a 1x2. And I'm not trying to waste my video time doing it. So if I have to, I will cut this video short. Or build something else right quick. Because I need, how many of those? 1 of those. No, I need 2 of them. Okay. Come on. Oh, don't make me do this. Ridiculous. They gave me like tons of the one type of blocks, but they gave me very little of everything else that I need. So if I sound a little disgusted, it's because this manufacturer, which is not Lego by the way, is really doing a bang up job of screwing me on this video. Okay, so give me a couple of seconds. I gotta go over to the all-knowing, all-seeing and get my parts together. I'll be right back. One by 2. Come on. One by 2. Come on. Where are you? Alright, take it. Sometimes I can do things up pretty quickly. And other times I cannot. Come on, where are you? Okay, no, I'm not. Nothing there. Nope, nothing there. I'll put this back here. Do that real quick. This one easy. It won't make a difference. Okay. Alright. I think I've got everything else I need. I just needed one of these. So I'm going to put this here. Oh shoot, I needed 2 of them, didn't I? Yeah, because then they'll sit up there. Okay. I'll be right back. Again. Ridiculous. Well, get the last still plugged up down here, which is fine. I don't care. note to self, not buying from Temu again, ever. They have great bricks and all that, but they screw everybody over. Okay, so like I said, I don't care what this looks like. This here, nope, that's not what I'm going to put there. I'm going to go like this. And then I'm going to go like this. Then I'm going to go here. Doggone it. Like that. This back here. This back here. That. There you go. I need to put these white pieces right here. Like this and like this. And then this gets this put on top of it, and that goes right. I have to straighten these out a little bit. Actually, so I'm adjusting this stack here, but I'll come back to it in a minute because it's got to go up against this wall. It's right there. I think I'll just stack them like. Like, I know what I'm going to do. I got it. Because if I can adjust this like that, I can put this right there. Perfect. Just like that. Yep. I'll put this back here like that. Okay. Then I'm going to put this together. So I'm going to put this long piece and this together. And I'm going to put this door. Yep, like that. Okay. And this is going to sit on top of that. Like that. Why is that smaller? I'll fix it in a minute. Apparently that's not what I was looking for, but I'll come back and change that in just a second. So I'm going to build this wall, and so I need this here, I need this one here, and I need this one here. This is going to be a very colorful wall here. I'm going to put this one here. This one here. Yep, just like that. And I'm going to do the same again up here. And anytime you build a wall, you want to go opposite to the bricks so that it'll become pretty sturdy. So that's what I'm doing there. That there. That there. Huh, okay. And I need another piece. But I think this time I should be able to find it. If not, I'm stealing it from the other wall. Aha! Yes! Found it. Okay. So I need this one here, like that. And then this long piece, like this. This is going to go here. This is going to go here. It's going to go there. This gets to go here, like that. Oh, sorry. This goes like this. There we go. That's how that's supposed to go. Like that. No. This one goes like this. There we go. Okay. And then we go backwards. like this, and then like this, and then like that. And hold on, I'm almost there. Put this there, and then I'm going to put this picture of Spider-Man right here on the wall. Okay, so I just line that up. There we go, and then this goes right like that. Pretty cool. Also, I put this copy machine here. I didn't have one without a sticker, so I can't take that off because it's in the plastic. And then I put these boxes here because they're, you know, just in the office. I'm going to put a cabinet here. I'm going to put a cabinet. Doggone it. I'm going to put a cabinet here, and this is going to sit on top of that. And then I've got some other things to do too. So, yeah, pretty cool. You know, bringing it together, I guess. I'll see you in the next video.